Troubleshooting Smart TV Code Lookup Issues.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to discuss a common issue that you might encounter with your smart TV. What do you do when the code lookup feature doesn't work? This video will guide you through a step-by-step process to solve this problem. Remember, understanding the problem is the first step towards the solution.
Why isn't my code lookup working?
When you use your smart TV, the code lookup feature can sometimes fail to work. This could be due to a number of reasons. Internet connection problems, server issues, or technical glitches within the device could be the culprits.
What to check first?
Firstly, check your internet connection. Is your TV properly connected to a stable internet network? If not, try to reconnect or switch to a more stable connection. Secondly, reboot your device. Sometimes, simply turning your smart TV off and on again can resolve the issue. Remember, rebooting is a quick and efficient troubleshooting step.
How to update your smart TV software.
Another possible cause could be outdated software. Manufacturers frequently update the software to fix bugs and improve performance. Here's how you can update your TV software. 1. Navigate to your TV's settings menu. 2. Select the option that refers to Software Update or System Update. 3. Follow the instructions on the screen to download and install any available updates. Make sure you keep your smart TV software up to date to ensure optimal performance.
Resetting your smart TV.
If all else fails, you might need to reset your smart TV to its factory settings. However, be careful with this step as it will erase all your personalized settings and installed apps. Always take a backup if necessary. The steps to reset your TV can typically be found in the settings menu under Reset or Factory Reset. That's it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to solve any issues you encounter with your smart TV's code lookup feature. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact your smart TV's customer support service. We hope this video was helpful and made your smart TV experience smoother. Until next time, happy viewing!